Hey everyone, I am here and I just received a new box with an Ambu SureSight mobile device in it. We're starting off in 2026 by reviewing VL devices. So there's a lot of choices out there, and I think part of what we're going to do here at the Protected Airway Collaborative is just do some unboxing videos of some of the devices coming out and show you how they function, how they work, how they arrive, and just give you all the ins and outs of the device so that when you get one, you can watch these videos, review all the key features, review how they function, and that way when you're in a clinical scenario where you have to troubleshoot the device, you'll know all the ins and outs. So let's get started. This is the Ambu SureSight Mobile. So it's a handheld device, and we're gonna open up the box here and we're gonna just start off by seeing what is inside. So open it up. And let's see, the first thing we've got here is a data transfer cable. Data transfer cable right here. Next thing that comes in the box is the carrying case. It includes a carrying case. We'll take a look at that. It comes with battery charger, very important. You got to have the battery charger. And then last but not least, what do we got here? We got the device itself. This is the big product right here, so we will open that up. All right, those are all 4 boxes. Let's start by taking a look and seeing what's inside each one. My trusty scalpel here. We're gonna start with the charger first, the data transfer cable actually. Let's see what that looks like. All right, data transfer cable. Got a nice little sort of quick guide there. This is so that you can take whatever video or stills that you shoot on the camera and transfer them to a secure drive for education purposes, quality review, other important aspects that VL provides. Here's the data cable there. See what else we got here. We've got the carrying case here. Let's open this up. All right, it's the carrying case here. Very nice, hard shell case, got a little handle. Inside. What else we got? We got the battery charger. Can't have a VL device if you can't charge the batteries. So let's take a look, see what that looks like. All right. Like the transfer cable, comes with a nice little simple graphic instruction on how to use it. And inside comes with, looks like a charger for 2 batteries. And then comes with your standard cord, but looks like it also comes with a set of universal adapters. So no matter where you use it, whether it's the States or Europe, South America, you'll have the right adapters to be able to charge your device. All right, now we get to the important one, the actual device itself. Let's open this up. All right, here we go. That's what it looks like when you open it up. You got what looks like a nice little instruction manual here with some important information for you. Then underneath that, here's the device itself. All right, here's the device itself. Got the screen, that's the data port there, battery, handle for attachments for blades. There you go. That is what the Ambu SureSight Mobile looks like, and it comes in the package with what looks like an extra battery, so you got 2. All right, so that is the initial unboxing. We'll take a pause there, and then we'll go deeper into the features of the Ambu SureSight Mobile so you know all the ins and outs of the device.